Most PLC beginners can make a motor 1, but professionals build systems that scales to 10, 50 or 100 motors without chaos. Hello everyone, welcome to PLC Automation, and in this video I will show you how to control a motor the professional way using UDTs, function block, and a clean structure in TIA portal. To do this, we are going to create a project in TIA portal, and we will call our project start motor using UDTs. Okay, and we are going to add a controller. We choose for 1200. We choose the last one. Tap on OK. We add our CPU. All right. Okay. And now we are going to create a UDT. All right. We are going to call it UDT motor. UDT motor. Let me declare some variables. Okay. CMD start. CMD stop. Status 1. Status false. Speed set point. Speed actual. All right. These two we are going to change the data type to real. All right. Now we are going to create a data block. Data block. We call it DB motor 1. And the type we choose UDT motor. We have created it here, right? Down. Now we are going to create a function block. Function block. We call it FB motor. And we choose the language as SCL. We make some interface variables like start CMD, stop CMD, and output should be 1. Also, and in and out, we are going to declare motor UDT motor. All right, so now we are going to write our interface code. Start logic if start CMD and not motor. This is false. Then motor dot Stop logic. Okay. And output 1 equals to motor. Okay, this one done. This is our interface body. Yeah. All right, and now we are going to OB1. We call our function block into OB1, motor 1, and we go to our global data block. We have created it. Start button, stop button. For the motor, we take our global data block, right? And the run button here. Before starting, we are going to add an HMI. To the basic one. Yes. We add our HMI. We go to devices and networks. We tap on connection. We just drag on our PLC and drop on our HMI. We have now a connection between our HMI and the PLC. We are going to delete the screen. We just add the start button. One more stop button. And we have our motor. Okay. And now we have set point. Our speed set. All right. We just bring it here. Okay. Now we are going to connect our We have started motor and we stop the motor. And if we go to our OB1, we tap online. Okay. Start. It's started, right? Stop the motor, we stop. And the set point is 50. If we go to the OB, the global data block, 5000. If we change it to 50, we can change it to 50, right? If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will build automatic mode alarms and complete industrial PLC project step by step. So see